Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be starting off with Indefinite Integral chapter in O.P. Malhotra's textbook for ISC Mathematics. I'll be starting with exercise 13a and I'll be solving all the sub-questions of question number 1. So let's begin. Okay guys, so the first question is sine 2x. To integrate this, we first need to put an integral sign, put down the question and then write dx. This dx shows that we are integrating with respect to the variable x. Now we know that when we differentiate cos x, we get the answer as minus sine x. So to integrate sine x, the answer would be minus cos x. So that when we differentiate minus cos x, the minus and minus get cut and we are left with sine x. Now because there is a 2, we also have to put cos 2x in the answer. But we know that when we differentiate this, the answer would be 2 sine 2x. And for the 2 to get cut, we also need to put a 2 in the denominator. So that the 2 and 2 will cancel each other out and we'll be left with sine 2x. Also remember to add a plus c. This c indicates the constant. When we differentiate this entire term, this turns to 0. That's why the final answer is minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. Now let's move on to the next question. This 2 is a constant and we don't need to do anything with it. So we just put it outside the integral sign. Now the solution to this is similar to the previous one. So the answer would be minus cos 3x by 3 plus c. Let's go on to the third question. The third question is 1 by 3 cos 4x. To solve this, we don't need to put 1 by 3 inside the integral sign. We can take it outside. And to integrate cos 4x, we know that we'll be having sine 4x because the differentiation of sine 4x is cos 4x. But we would also get a 4 as the coefficient, which is why we need to put a 4 in the denominator so that they cancel each other out. And then remember to add the plus c. This is what we often tend to forget. The next question is quite similar to this one. It's cos 5x by 2. So I won't be solving this. So I'll go on to the fifth question. We know that the differentiation of tan x is sec square x, and the differentiation of tan 8x would be 8 sec square 8x, which is why the answer becomes Let's move on to the next question. The sixth question is cosec squared 2x. Now we know that the differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x, which is why we would have to add minus to the answer so that minus and minus cancel each other out. The answer would then become minus cot 2x and the denominator would have a 2 in it and plus c. The seventh question. Now we know that the differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x, which makes the answer to this question sec 5x and the denominator would have a 5 so that the 5 cancel each other out when they come in the numerator, and add a plus c to make the final answer. Moving on to the last question. Minus cosec 3x cot 3x. We know that the differentiation of cot x is cosec square x minus cosec square x. but the differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, which is why the final answer would be cosec 3x upon 3 plus c. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.